If you love spending your summers out on the water, you might already know that docking a ride can become a hassle. The good news is that the right accessories can help eliminate your headache and help you focus on enjoying your day out. So if you're ready to up your game, stick around. We're here with Sea-Doo's best solutions for an easy docking process. Fenders play a key role in padding your PWC when you attach it to a dock or another vehicle, and we have a couple of solid options for you. We wanted to take a different approach to these products, so we created fenders that stay where they belong and are easy to attach and remove. Just snap them in and you're ready to dock, or you can leave them all on at the same time if you want to. Our standard snap-in fenders work for all of our PWCs except for the 2024 Spark. And if you happen to own that vehicle, you'll get an additional feature with the fenders that work for your setup. The Link Light fenders are an evolution of our snap-in option, but these fenders can be locked in place using the Link system. They also offer a strategically designed shape to optimize protection for your vehicle. Next up, let's take a look at the Sea-Doo Speed Ties. This simple docking system is available with many of our PWC models and can be paired with our fenders for additional security and protection. While conventional ropes often end up wet and tangled, these ties stay clean, neat, and organized all the time thanks to our fully retractable design. Since this setup is retractable, you'll always have the right amount of rope at hand, and you can count on a fast and easy recoil as soon as you head out onto the water. The entire length of the rope will retract right back into your hull, so you can spend less time managing your gear and more time focused on fun. To wrap things up today, we have a solution for securing your favorite watercraft when you're not at the dock. The Sea-Doo folding anchor is compact but robust and made to help you keep your small boat or PWC fully secured in sand, mud, gravel, or rock. It offers marine-grade rope, an inline buoy, and a stainless steel snap hook, all small enough to pack securely into a nylon storage case that also fits inside of your PWC's front storage compartment. Bottom line, we created all this gear to simplify the docking process and maximize protection for your investment. And if you spend a lot of time on the water, you'll probably want them on hand. Don't forget to subscribe to stay in the loop on all things Sea-Doo. Have fun, stay safe, and we'll see you all soon.